We would like to thank our client in Jamaica for purchasing EA1000H9, a dual-purpose indoor-outdoor rental LED wall. This rental LED display features exquisite craftsmanship and exceptional quality, incorporating quick lock mechanisms and corner protection designs that facilitate rapid installation and secure long-distance transport. The LED modules utilize a magnetic attachment design, supporting both front and rear maintenance for quick and easy module replacement. Furthermore, the power box is detachable, allowing for direct removal and independent servicing whenever maintenance is required. Additionally, EA1000H9 rental LED wall can be equipped with high-precision curved locks, enabling the creation of a wider variety of stage configurations.